Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, it just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog.
I'm on the grind early in the morning. 5 then I go away. There's nothing like living this dream of mine. I wanna say my name in the light shine so bright that the stars don't have to come out in the nighttime. I'ma make it happen, buy my girl a gas, so we gon' get it crackin'. When you see me grinding, yeah, I'm grinding for you. When they see me shining, know it's all 'cause of you. When I win the Grammy, they gon' know I stay true. And when they ask me how I did it, I'll tell them.
Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, it just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog. I got love within me, guess it's homegrown. Used to watch ET, now I just phone home. Called my mama, told her that I'm grown now. She said you got old and started showing out. She remember Jaylon as a youngin'. I don't flex for love, no, I don't stutter, no. Look, I do it for my sisters and my brothers. And I never been afraid to say I love you, yeah. Bump this in your speakers in the summertime. Tell yourself that everything gon' work out fine. Wake up the next day and get back on your grind. When they see you at the finish and they ask you how you did it, you just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, it just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, it just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog.
I'm on the grind early in the morning. 5 then I go away. There's nothing like living this dream of mine. I wanna say my name in the light shine so bright that the stars don't have to come out in the nighttime. I'ma make it happen, buy my girl a gas, so we gon' get it crackin'. When you see me grinding, yeah, I'm grinding for you. When they see me shining, know it's all 'cause of you. When I win the Grammy, they gon' know I stay true. And when they ask me how I did it, I'll tell them.
Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, it just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog. I got love within me, guess it's homegrown. Used to watch ET, now I just phone home. Called my mama, told her that I'm grown now. She said you got old and started showing out. She remember Jaylon as a youngin'. I don't flex for love, no, I don't stutter, no. Look, I do it for my sisters and my brothers. And I never been afraid to say I love you, yeah. Bump this in your speakers in the summertime. Tell yourself that everything gon' work out fine. Wake up the next day and get back on your grind. When they see you at the finish and they ask you how you did it, you just stick to the plan.
Y'all already know what time it is. Y'all already know. Hey, y'all. What's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Y'all. I ain't playing no games with 2020. Wet lace. Yes. So before I begin today's video, I just want to send a big thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. All of their information will be listed down in the description box below, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site, honey. Yes. Because sometimes I go off. I go hard. Yo, okay, I'm gonna try not to be too extra, but I don't know what they was thinking sending me all these inches. Okay, like what? Girl, what you say? I got a bag in this video. I am wearing the Brazilian straight wig. It comes in 22 inches, and I have the 13x4 parting space, or you can get the 13x6 parting space, but it is additional. I have 180% in hair density, and the starting price for this unit is $65.28. Of course, the more you customize it, the longer you get the hair, the more expensive it is gonna be. Y'all, I am Miss New, okay? You cannot tell me nothing, all right? Just call me Little Shanise X, cause can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding in my Volkswagen, hey. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys the pros and cons to this wig, and y'all know I'm gonna tell y'all the cons first. The only con that I have with this wig is that the wig was too small for my head. Yes, y'all, that's the only con. The only con is that it's too small for your girl. The wig was small, so I felt like the size of the wig made the hairline look awkward on me. I don't know, but y'all be the judge, okay? The ear tabs are stopping like right here. A little bit, they're like really far away from my ear. It's like stopping a little bit up here because it was too small, but I felt like the wig looked awkward on me. But y'all let me know. Don't pay attention to the lighter lace. Y'all know I do not apply makeup to the sides of my wigs, but let me know. Or am I bugging? All right, let me fix myself. Gotta go back to looking like a rich itch. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the pros. The first pro of this wig I would have to say is the lace. The lace did come off a tad bit light when I first tried the wig on my head, but I was able to blend it so well once I applied my Sally Hansen Deep Glow Spray and some pressed powder along the hairline right here. Don't pay attention to the size, just pay attention to the part that you can see. But the parting space is very, very natural, and it looks good. It looks really, really good. I can appreciate a natural hairline in a good parting space because it makes your wig look more realistic. Like, yes, girl, this is growing from my scalp. I got inches, okay? Y'all, I'll tell somebody, this is my hair. This is what's underneath all my wigs. Lies I tell. Another pro to this wig is the hair. Y'all, I love the hair on this wig. I did shampoo and deep condition this hair when I first received it, and I did go in and flat iron the hair, and I did use a heat protectant, and y'all, this hair feels amazing. I did receive a little bit of shedding while shampooing the hair. As I run my hands through the hair right now, I'm not receiving any additional shedding. And of course, this is a human hair wig, so it will shed, but I'm not receiving like excessive shedding, like everywhere I turn, I see long hair sitting on the floor. No, this wig is bomb, y'all. This wig is really bomb, and I'm really feeling myself like, girl. Yes, I'm about to go catch me a new fish, a new fried fish sandwich. Minus the bread. As far as tangling, I did receive like some snags when I was brushing out the hair after I shampooed and deep conditioned it, but I'm not receiving any snags right now. We can go ahead and do a nape test. And I'm not receiving any snags. Yes, this is my first long human hair unit, so y'all, I'm about to act a fool, okay? My husband going to snatch me up, for real. Act up, you can get snatched up. Hey, act up, you can get snatched. I would recommend this wig if you want a long, affordable, quality hair, straight hair unit. Boo, Nadula got you, okay? Nadula. I know I say names wrong. But yes, y'all, it's really not a whole lot for me to say about this unit. I did have to go in and flatten the top, and it flattened out very well. The hair feels so good. I just can't believe how good this hair feels. Like, I just been running my hands through it since I laid this wig, okay? I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. With the wig being small, I was getting kind of frustrated with this wig. I couldn't get it to lay the way I wanted it to lay, but it worked out. It worked out well. I really have to stop sleeping on myself when it comes to these wigs. I gotta be real with y'all for a minute. I get so nervous every time I lay a wig. Y'all just don't understand. Your girl is a YouTube girl, not a guru. I'm a YouTube girl. Make sure you go ahead and check out Nadula Hair. And if you want to buy a wig, make sure you use the coupon code so you can save some coin, honey, okay? Like, we all about saving coins and budgeting in 2020. We can always slay on a budget. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up because it's not a whole lot for me to say except for me to sit on here and keep running my hands through this hair. Like, y'all going to get tired of me. Like, girl, who do you think you are, Kim K? North, go sit down. Before I wrap this video up, I just want to send a big thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop them down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Stick to the plan. Ask me how